Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. My name is Raynell Cherie and I miss y'all so much. I took a little break, but I'm back. What's up? What's good? What's poppin'? Let's get into these looks. So yeah, today I kind of wanted to do no makeup type of a look, or you know, just not a full cake face, and I wanted to use the BeautyBakerie products. I've already moisturized my face using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. So we're just gonna go right into foundation. I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand, and this is what the color looks like. I'm gonna go in with the brush. I didn't prime my skin. Please hold.
A few moments later.
With the e.l.f. putty primer. Okay, now we can go in with foundation. And this is what the color looks like. Ooh, look at that. Look at that coverage. You always get fuller coverage with a brush, in my opinion. The sponge soaks up a lot of the product, and I like to go back over with the brush after. But for the first initial like layer, I like to use a brush. It just gives a more polished look. A fuller coverage look. And even when you're doing no makeup or, you know, barely there makeup, you still want coverage, you know? That's the reason you're wearing makeup in the first place. At least for me, I still want coverage. You know, I don't need completely matte, but I still want some coverage. And this is really pretty. And I just always blend down into my neck. Make sure I get by my ears. Go in with the concealer. And since this is a no makeup look, we're not gonna go crazy, but you're still gonna conceal, and you still wanna brighten, you still wanna bring dimension back into your face. Spray with the Sweet Grace baking spray, and it's the one with the, it's like the Morphe. I'm tired. I can't think of, you know how it dispenses evenly. God, the word is right there. I'm having a brain fart. Like hairspray, but not, it's a word.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Oh well. Y'all, my right eye keeps jumping. My mom says that means you're gonna run into money or good news. It's been jumping for like a week. Where's the money? Where's the money? This sponge is from Double T Enhancements. They're a new brand on Instagram, and they do have a website. And look at how cute. and how you can like, how it's curved and angled so you can really get in there. It seriously became my favorite sponge. This concealer is blending out very nicely, and the color is not too light, so it's perfect for what I'm going for. But if I did want more of a brightening look, then I would pick up, you know, the shade above it. Yeah, this concealer is very full coverage. I'm just blending that out like so, and you can see, look how beautiful and natural this looks. Skin-like, I shouldn't say natural. They also have lip products, they have eyeshadows, they have bronzers, foundation, concealer, setting powder, setting spray. I mean, they're a full-on brand. They're also available in Ulta. I don't remember the prices of the products, but I can list them down below in the description box. But I picked up this stuff actually on Black Friday sale. I bought tons of stuff, guys, so I have lots of new content coming for you guys because I have so many products to test out. That's my alarm. Yeah, I picked this up on Black Friday, and then I was just kind of in a funk. That's kind of why I've been away, but that's another story for another day. So I have all these products that I've just been sitting on that I have not used, tried, picked up, nothing, nada. So yeah, it's March. I bought that stuff in November. Everything pretty much came by December, so that's 3 whole months. But I'm back and I'm better and I'm here now, and we're gonna get into it. I'm so sad that I've been sitting on this stuff for them because look at what I've been missing out on. Look at this. So we're gonna go in with the Flour setting powder in the shade Almond. Ooh, and it's cute. It twists. It twists to open and close. That's really good because, you know, setting powder is messy. That stuff be getting everywhere. That is very cute. I'm just gonna put a little bit. And that's a very rich orangey color. I really don't like too yellow of a setting powder. I prefer an orange. Hope I didn't put too much. But yeah, this sponge is just perfect for under the eye. I feel like I keep repeating myself, but it's true. Literally, she sent these to me, but I want to order some more. Like, and I just shade match myself, but you can definitely go in Ulta and find your correct shade. And they do have a shade finder on their website. It's very lightweight. It's just like melting into my skin. And this sponge really isn't that damp. I just sprayed it with the setting spray. I didn't wet it into the sink because I was being lazy. But look at how it's just like melting into my skin. Wow. I mean, look at this. It's a little flat because, so I need to bronze, but this is perfect. It really looks like I don't have much on. Wow. Wow. Just going in with my CoverGirl bronzer. And since you know, because you don't want to really go in and contour, just go in and bronze. Just to add some dimension. I don't even feel like I need to go in and set the rest of my face with powder. Honestly, it feels matte, but it looks skin-like. It doesn't feel tight. It doesn't feel itchy. That's always one thing I look for when I try a new foundation. Did it make my skin feel itchy? Does my skin feel tight? like latex. You ever put on a foundation and your skin just instantly just feels tight? It feels like it can't breathe, like your pores are just like suffocating. Your face will instantly start to feel itchy, like you're having a reaction. Things like that. It's like, no, this foundation isn't for me. Longevity, wearability, things like that. But just instant things, just the way my skin feels. Does it feel like it can breathe? Does it, how it looks? Is it itchy? Things like that. And I'm not getting any of that with this. That's just like me, my things, because I've had that. I've put foundation on and my face instantly will itch. And it's like, oh, I just can't wait to get this off my face. And I don't feel that at all. And it matches me perfectly to my chest. The concealer, the powder, it just all feels light. It does not feel heavy at all. Like it doesn't feel heavy. It feels amazing. It feels very natural and it looks amazing. Like I can't stop staring at myself because it looks that good. I did pick up the Fenty mascara, so I can't wait to try that out. I'm really like a makeup hoarder. I just more so like buying things. I'm an obsessive shopper. I can admit it. And something I need to work on. I bought so much makeup that my birthday's coming up. I only like treated myself to very few things because it's like, girl, you've been buying makeup and not using it for months. I told myself I'm not buying anything else at least till summer. So if there's new releases, either somebody else gonna buy it for me, either the company gonna send it to me, claim it, receive it, or I'm just not gonna have it because I don't need to buy any more makeup. I have so much stuff that I don't use already. So let's just claim and receive that these companies are gonna send it to me or somebody else is gonna buy it for me. But I won't be buying it. I'm putting myself on a strict. So if you see me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram, by the way, mocha__queen. And if you see me on my stories with stuff, say, hey, I thought you said. I'm gonna tell you to mind your business, but still check me.
Check. Who gonna check me, boo?
I think I do need to set my face because I can see, and I'm not even oily, but a little oil on the sides of my nose. So I'm gonna go ahead and just use my Fit Me. So guys, this is the finished look of my natural no makeup look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like this video, give it a big thumbs up, share my channel with your friends and family, and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And just stay tuned. Don't forget, also follow me on Instagram. And like I said, I'm gonna have lots more content coming for you guys. I'm gonna be more consistent. So just stay tuned and keep an eye out for new content. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.